Since 2018, Bitcoin has started its operations with the goal of helping users trade more intelligently and providing an all-in-one solution for investing in crypto. So, it's not just about buying and selling here, it's a complete ecosystem for all your crypto needs. This company is considered the largest copy trading platform in the world, which is one of Bitget's most important strengths. If you're interested in copy trading, that is, you want to automatically follow the trades of professional traders, Bitget is the best option. This shows the innovation and leadership of this exchange. This exchange has over 120 million registered users worldwide, and the trading volume on this exchange exceeds 20 billion USDT. The founders of Bitget became familiar with blockchain technology in 2015, coming from a background in financial markets. In 2018, when the crypto market faced a severe crash and many people had lost hope in this space, with a strong belief in the future of blockchain, they decided to establish their own exchange. Bitget believes in a fairer and more equal world, driven by the evolution of crypto. The goal and mission of this exchange are to secure the future of finance and provide safe, efficient, smart, and empowering digital transactions. To sign up on Bitget, click on Sign Up, and here you can link your account to Google, Apple, Telegram, MetaMask, or Bitget wallet. You can also register manually by entering your email and password. I recommend using uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols for your password. If you have a referral code, enter it in this section. You confirm the website's terms by ticking the box and then click on Create Account. A code will be sent to your email. To verify your email, go to your inbox. Click on Bitget. Copy the specified code and enter it in this section. You will now be logged into your account. Your account has been created, and to verify your Bitget account, click on the User menu and then select Verify in the Identity Verification section. In addition to your region, enter your country of residence. Upload the required document, such as your ID card, passport, or driver's license, and click on Continue. If you prefer, you can also verify your account using your mobile phone by clicking in this section. Confirm the website's terms and conditions by ticking the box. Click on Start, and you will need to take a selfie. To verify your identity, if you would like to see a tutorial on how to verify your account on Bitget, you can watch the instructional video on our YouTube channel. In the Buy Crypto section, the first option is Pay With, where you can select the currency you want for your account, and you can also search for the currency by clicking in this area. The next option is Credit/Debit Cards. Here, you can easily and quickly purchase cryptocurrency using your Visa or MasterCard. This method is really easy and perfect for those who are looking for speed and simplicity. It's just like making a regular online purchase. And keep in mind that this transaction may include a fee and could have daily or banking limits that you should pay attention to. And in the More Services section at the bottom, you have access to areas like Sell Crypto, which takes you to the P2P trading section. There, you can select the currency and amount you want, click on Sell, and sell your chosen currency. In this section, you can choose the coin you want, the currency you want to sell for, and also select your preferred payment method. To change the filter, click on this option, set your desired filter, and to save it, click on this option. To enable price alerts, click on this option. Click on Create Alert. Enter the desired coin and amount. Additionally, set the alert type, price, desired percentage, and frequency. If you want, you can also change the notification settings, then click on Create Alert to activate this alert. In the P2P section, you buy cryptocurrency directly from other users or from verified merchants who are approved sellers. Bitget acts as an intermediary here and guarantees the security of the transaction. In this section, you can see the sellers and buyers listings, and by clicking on this option, you can select the desired user to either buy from or sell to. One of the advantages of this section is the low transaction fee. There's a greater variety of payment methods, and it's also suitable for larger transactions. Now we get to the Quick Buy section. This is suitable for users who want to buy cryptocurrency as quickly and easily as possible. This section usually offers a combination of different methods, including cards, e-wallets, and third-party services for fast purchases. In this section, you can choose the currency you want to pay with, enter the currency you want to receive, and to confirm the transaction, you click on Buy USDT. The advantages of this section include fast transactions, a simple user interface, and it may also offer you a variety of payment options. And if you want to view your transaction history, click on Order, and in this section, after being active, you can see the relevant section and its history. You can also search for the coin you want in the history. You can also search by time, category, and by clicking on Search. Additionally, this section is divided into categories like Buy, Sell, Deposit, and Withdraw. And the second part of this history is Fund Flow, where you can also view the information in this section after you have been active. In the third-party section, you can buy cryptocurrencies through third-party networks like Visa, MasterCard, or Google Play. All you need to do is enter the desired amount in this section along with the currency, and to receive, just select the currency you want. You can view the payment information, and by ticking the box, you confirm the website's terms and conditions, then click on this option to submit. The next option is Card, where you can select your desired country by clicking here, and by clicking on Register, you can request to receive a Bitget card. In the Market section, you can find all cryptocurrencies and all types of trades on the Bitget exchange. In the Favorites section, you can see your favorite trading pairs, which are also tradable. By entering your preferred coin, you can easily find them, and you can also view this information in categories like All, Spot, Margin, and Futures. To search for your desired coin, click on this option, and to edit the category, use this section. Select the category you want, such as Spot, Margin, and Futures, and you can also set a price alert. The Spot section is the most common and basic type of trading in the crypto world, where in the spot market you directly buy and sell cryptocurrencies. That means if you buy Bitcoin, you immediately become its owner. There's no leverage here, and you have full ownership of your assets. To get started and trade without the risk of leverage, this section is the best option, and you can also select your desired cryptocurrency here. In addition, there are networks like I Know, AAME, and others, where you just need to click on the Enter Trading page and you'll be taken to that section's platform. In this section, to add your desired coin to your favorite coins, you can click on the star and add that currency to your favorites list. You can see information such as last price, change, market cap, amount, and 24-hour changes. Also, to view more details, you can click on Details and see more information about that coin. And to trade, you just click on Trade and you'll enter the trading section for the selected coin. In this section, you can see a chart from the TradingView platform, and at the top you can also change the desired currency. You can view information such as 24-hour changes, 24-hour high and low, coin for order quantity, and 24-hour total, in addition to the token category. In the Order Book section, you can see the buyers and sellers, as well as the Market Trades section where you can view market trades. To execute a trade, you can use three options: Spot, Cross 3x, and Isolated 10x. You just need to select the desired section, such as Limit, Market, or OCO, and if you want to set restrictions in the Order section, you can click on this option to activate this feature. You enter your desired price. You select the percentage. You can see information about the total, and if you wish, you can also activate TP/SL for this section. Finally, to complete the action, you click on Buy BTC. In this section, you can change the time in 4 settings, which are divided into categories such as Post Only, FOK, and IOC. In the Fees section, you can activate a 20% discount, and in the Trading Analysis section, you can view information about analyzed trades. You can also adjust the settings between categories such as Base, Code, Time, and date, and view the information in this section. You can view information about assets for trading, and you have access to sections like deposit and transfer. If you want to learn how to deposit, you can watch the tutorial on our YouTube channel. In this section, you can see information about open orders, order history, order details, SLK, my copy trade, and bot. After you start being active here, this section will be displayed for you. In this section, to trade with a bot, you can click on this option and by selecting your desired bot, such as Spot Grid, Spot Martingale, Spot Auto Invest, Spot CTA, Spot Portfolio, or Spot Position Grid, trade using the bot. In the section above, by clicking here, you can save notes for the trading section, and you also have access to the coupons section, where you can view information such as spot, margin, and bot coupons, which will be displayed after you take action. In this section, as we taught before, you can set price alerts, and in the Help Center section, you can also view guides for the relevant sections such as spot trading, video tutorials, margin trading, and so on. In the Preferences section, you can change the settings for this part, such as announcements, candlestick time, change base, and so on. The next option is Futures, where you buy or sell a contract whose value is derived from the price of a specific cryptocurrency. In the Futures section, you buy or sell a contract that gets its value from the price of a particular digital currency, without actually owning that asset. In the Margin section, you use your own assets as collateral to borrow money from the exchange so you can open a larger trading position. This can multiply your profits several times over, but it also increases the risk of losing your capital by the same amount. In the On-Chain section, you can see the trading pairs from decentralized exchanges, like LOT and others, and you have direct access to blockchain data. This option is useful for those who are interested in the decentralized world of crypto, and you can also view this section by categories such as hot picks, new picks, FDV, volume, and holders. If you want to search, you can click on this part. In the trading section, you have access to a part like Spot, where you can view various trading pairs on your chosen network. For example, USDT, BTC/USDT, and so on. In the Spot section, you enter the spot trading area, which is the most fundamental and direct way to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Just like traditional stock markets, but with cryptocurrencies, in this section, you can see the trading chart. Additionally, you see the relevant currency, and by clicking in this section, you can also select another currency. You can view information such as prices, buyers, 24-hour changes, and more. You can see the buyers and sellers, and this section is divided into two categories, order book and market trade. The trade section itself is divided into three parts, spot, cross 3x, and isolated 10x. In the spot section, you directly exchange one cryptocurrency for another. For example, if you buy Bitcoin with Tether, USDT, you immediately become the owner of that Bitcoin. This is a direct transaction where you become the actual owner of the asset. In the margin section, we enter the margin trading area, which is suitable for experienced traders who want to multiply their profit potential. In margin trading, you borrow capital from the exchange to increase your trading funds. This means you can open larger positions compared to your actual account balance, and one of the key advantages of this section is increased profit. If your trade moves in the right direction, your profit will increase significantly. In the on-chain section, we enter on-chain trading, which is a unique feature that bridges centralized exchanges and decentralized blockchain operations. On-chain allows you to directly participate in blockchain-based activities through Bitget, often using decentralized finance, DeFi, protocols, without you needing to manage all the complex aspects of direct interaction with the blockchain yourself. One of the advantages of this section is access to DeFi benefits like higher yields or unique tokens, all with the convenience and security features of a centralized exchange. In the Convert section, You can easily exchange your desired currency for another by selecting the amount you want and clicking on Convert. And to check the history of these conversions, you can click on this option and view your conversion history after making a transaction. In the Copy section, you have access to 4 categories: Bitget, Trader Pro Program, Futures Copy Trading, Spot Copy Trading, and Bot Copy Trading. For example, we will choose Spot Copy Trading. The Copy Trading section is suitable for people who are new to the world of trading or simply don't have enough time to actively manage their own trades. With Copy Trading, you can automatically copy the trades of experienced and successful traders on the Bitget platform. By selecting your desired user and allocating your capital, their trades will be automatically copied to your account. In the Bots section, you have access to various bots, such as spot bots and futures bots. For example, we select Spot Grid. This section is related to automated trading programs that are designed to execute trades on your behalf. You can launch various trading bots, such as grid trading bots, DCA bots, and others, using predefined strategies. These bots then automatically buy and sell cryptocurrencies based on the parameters you choose, aiming to profit from market fluctuations. One of the advantages of this section is that the trading bots operate without emotions and are active 24/7 throughout the week. They can execute trades faster and more efficiently than a human, which is especially helpful in highly volatile markets, allowing you to take advantage of special market conditions even while you're asleep. The next section is the Launch Hub, which is designed for launching new projects. Like Pre-Market, LaunchX, Launchpad, and so on. Through the Launch Hub, Bitget users gain early access to participate in initial token offerings or new projects. This often involves staking certain cryptocurrencies to earn a share of the new token. One of the advantages of this section is that it provides an opportunity to get a step ahead by entering projects with high growth potential early on, before they become widely available on the open market. In the Features section, the first option is USDT futures, where you have direct access to trading pairs like BTC/USDT and others. You can also search for the coin you want. In the USDT futures section, your profits and losses are calculated and settled in the stablecoin USDT, Tether. This means that to open and hold your positions, you use Tether as collateral, and any profit you make or loss you incur will be based on Tether. One of the advantages of this section is greater stability, since Tether is a stable coin and its price almost always remains equal to $1. The value of your collateral fluctuates less, and profit and loss calculations are also simpler and more predictable. The next option is USDCM futures, which works exactly like USDTM. In this section, all calculations of your profit, loss, and collateral are based on the USDC stablecoin, which, like USDT, is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. One of the key advantages of this section is its great similarity to USDTM, but some traders prefer to use it because of USDC's stronger backing and greater transparency. The next option is Coin futures, which you can find under the perpetual and delivery categories. In this section, your trades use the underlying cryptocurrency itself, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, as margin collateral, and your profits and losses are also settled in that same cryptocurrency. If you open a Bitcoin futures position and make a profit, you will receive your profit in Bitcoin. One of the advantages of this section is that if you are a holder, someone who keeps Bitcoin or Ethereum for the long term, you can trade with your assets without selling your main holdings, and even increase your main assets. In bullish markets, the value of your collateral also increases, which works in your favor. But this carries more risk because the value of your collateral, for example Bitcoin, is itself volatile. If the market moves against your positions and at the same time the price of Bitcoin also drops, your losses will be doubled. In the Features Guide section, you enter a tutorial or guide where, by selecting your desired option like Overview or Kickoff, you can view the tutorial for that section. The next option is Features Promotion, which is divided into three categories: Features Quest, Features Leaderboard, and Super Press. This section is where Bitget announces offers, bonuses, and special events related to regular trading. These can include bonuses, deposit bonuses, trading competitions with big prizes, or discounts on fees. The next option is Demo Trading, which is divided into two categories: Classic Demo Trading and UTA Demo Trading. We enter the Demo section, which is a trading simulator, and Demo Trading allows you to practice futures trading with virtual money in real market conditions. There is no real financial risk here, so you can trade with peace of mind. One of the advantages of this section is that it's the best way to learn and test new strategies without any risk. In the Earn section, the first option is Overview. This part gives you a general view of all the products and tools available in the Earn section. The main goal of this section is to help you grow your assets through different methods, and it usually includes an overall dashboard of profits, new products, and personalized recommendations as well. In the Simple Earn section, you have one of the easiest and lowest risk ways to earn profits in Bit, where you can deposit and withdraw whenever you want and benefit from flexible returns with almost zero risk. This option is suitable for those who are looking for an easy and safe way to hold their assets while also earning profits. Key points of this section include the ability to deposit and withdraw at any time, flexible returns, and almost zero risk. And this section usually includes staking popular tokens with variable returns. In the Unchain Earn section, you have access to three options: Unchain Earn, Unchain Elite, and Hodla Yield. Unchain Earn allows you to earn daily returns without putting your principal at risk. This method usually involves participating in blockchain activities like nodes or DeFi protocols, where the returns are generated directly from on-chain activities. The advantages of this section include earning daily returns without risking your principal. It's worth mentioning DeFi blockchain activities for better understanding. This section includes staking through DeFi protocols, yield farming, or providing liquidity, all of which happen directly on the blockchain. The next option is Structured Earn, which gives you access to three categories: Shark Fin, Smart Trend, and Dual Investment. This category can include dual investment products, capital guaranteed products with specific conditions, or products related to options. In the VIP and Wealth Management section, you have access to two parts: VIP Premier, Wealth Hub, and Wealth Management. This section offers special services for larger investors and those looking for smart wealth management. These services include specialized consulting, access to exclusive products, and dedicated support to optimize your investment strategies. And among the advantages of this section, we can mention premium services, smart wealth management, catering to larger investors or personalized services, and it usually includes better interest rates, as well as access to special protocols and dedicated portfolio management. The next option is Loans, where you have access to two sections: Crypto Loans and Premier Loans. This section is the Loans section, which allows you to flexibly borrow by using your digital assets as collateral. This option, with high fund security, helps you get the liquidity you need without having to sell your assets. The benefits of this section include flexible borrowing, high fund security, and the ability to access liquidity without selling your assets. Usually, the interest rate and the loan-to-value (LTV) ratio are important factors in this section. The next option is Web3, where you enter the Bitget wallet section, and to access this part, you click on Discover Web3 Now on the desktop. You'll be taken directly into this vast world, and you can start interacting with all these features. This button is actually the starting point of your journey into Web3 with the Bitget wallet. For example, you have access to on-chain searches, DeFi, NFTs, bridges, exchanges, and more. These colorful icons you see at the bottom of the page represent Bitget wallet support for various blockchain networks and different tokens. From Bitcoin and Ethereum to popular networks like Solana and many others. Bitget Wallet provides extensive support for your interaction with various ecosystems. In this section, you have access to the Bitget Wallet history, which will be displayed to you after you start using it, and in the Favorites section, you can see your favorite products. Here, you can change the theme of this section. You can also select the language, and to download Bitget Wallet, click on Download. By choosing this option, you can download the app for iOS or Android. You can also download it by scanning the QR code, or for the Windows operating system, by clicking on this option.
The next option is Square, which is considered a source of crypto knowledge and information. In the first section of this site, you get access to expert analyses and opinions. This section includes articles and reports from experienced experts and analysts in the crypto field. These insights help you gain a deeper perspective on the market, trends, and investment opportunities, enabling you to make more informed decisions. Also, you can upload your own opinions and content here as well. This section works just like a social network, giving you access to areas such as home, topics, account notifications, profile, and settings. The next option is News, which is where you get the latest updates. This section provides you with the latest articles and media reports about cryptocurrencies, blockchains, and major market events. By following this section, you'll always stay informed about events that could impact your investments, and you can also view news sorted into categories like Flash Market, VIP News, and Calendar. In the Bitget Live section, you can watch live events, webinars, and interviews with crypto legends. They reveal their wealth codes live. That means they share their strategies, insights, market perspectives, and experiences with you. This is a great opportunity to learn directly from the giants of the industry. The next option is Bitget Academic, which is perfect for you if you're new to the world of crypto or want to deepen your knowledge. Here, you can learn comprehensively and in a structured way about the basic concepts of cryptocurrencies, blockchain, and their underlying technologies. From the fundamentals to advanced topics. The next option is Bitget Blog. This blog offers in-depth analyses, articles, and guides on trading tools like trading bots, as well as comprehensive reviews of trends and developments in the crypto industry. For more detailed information and analysis of long-term market trends, it's an extremely valuable resource. You also have access to other articles such as Bitget, press releases, Launchpad, Innovation Zone, Gracie, and more. The next option is Bitget Research. This section is designed for those who are looking for highly detailed and research-based information. Here, you can find everything you need about the world of blockchain, from specific projects to in-depth market reports. This is fantastic for researchers and those who are looking for a deeper understanding of the technical and innovative aspects of blockchain. In the More section, you have access to 3 options: Learn and Explore, Institution, and Programs, each of which is divided into different categories. For example, in the Learn and Explore section, the first option is the Help Center. This is where you can find answers to all your questions. From step-by-step guides to frequently asked questions, everything is available here. It's considered a comprehensive resource for solving user problems, and you can also select options like Crypto Deposit Not Credited and others to get the answers you need. In the Announcements Center section, you can always stay updated on the latest news about new coin listings, platform updates, and important Bitget events by checking this area. And in this section, you'll see various topics like latest news, new listings, and more. The next option is Rewards. This section shows you how you can earn various rewards and bonuses through different activities on Bitget. In the Referral section, with the Referral program, you can invite your friends to Bitget and earn a commission from their trading fees, which is considered a great way to make passive income. The next option is Submit Feedback. In this section, you can send your suggestions and criticisms directly to the Bitget team to help improve their services. The institutional section is intended for large financial institutions, such as investment funds or companies that require high-volume trading solutions and dedicated services. In the VIP program section, if you are an active trader with high volume, Bitget's VIP program offers you amazing benefits like lower fees, dedicated support, and special events. The broker program option allows brokers and other platforms to offer Bitget's liquidity and trading services to their own clients. In the API section, Bitget has provided API access for developers and algorithmic traders. This feature allows you to build your own trading bots and automate your strategies. Affiliate section. If you are a content creator or have a large audience, you can join Bitget's affiliate program and earn income by introducing Bitget to new people. In the Booster Platform section, it's designed for launching new crypto projects, which is a great opportunity for users to get to know new tokens before everyone else and invest in them. All you have to do is click on Apply Now to become part of this section. In the Bitget Builders section, this program is designed to recognize the active members of the Bitget community. If you participate in community activities, you can become one of the Bitget builders and earn rewards. In the Asset Custody section, Bitget offers advanced custodial services for greater security of digital assets, especially for institutional users. All you need to do is click on Apply and join this section. The last option is Tax API. This section is a practical tool for simplifying crypto tax reporting using an API, allowing you to easily extract the necessary data for tax calculations. As you saw, the More section in Bitget goes beyond a simple exchange. Here, it's a complete ecosystem that covers everything from support and education to collaboration opportunities and advanced services for institutions. This shows that Bitget values the diverse needs of its users at all levels. The Gold Billion Bitget section is considered an event where you can win a pure gold bar worth $10,000. The registration process is very simple. All you need to do is trade on the spot or futures market on Bitget, and once you reach a certain trading volume, like $200, $500, or more, you'll be entered into the lottery and the bounty rewards section. The higher your trading volume, the more chances or rewards you can earn. And to keep track of the specific task, you can view it in the task section. You can also see information about the bounties at the bottom, and after completing the tasks, you can click on Draw to receive your desired bounty. And to register in this section, all you need to do is click on Join and become a member of the Gold Billion section. By clicking on the search bar, you can look up your desired coin or other information on the Bitget website. You can also see the top searches by default. Earn and copy trading are the next options after settings, where you have access to the deposit, withdrawal, and transfer sections. If you're interested, you can watch the deposit and withdrawal tutorial video. You can find it on our YouTube channel for Bitget. In this section, you can see your account balance, and by clicking on this option, you'll enter the account settings section where you can view information related to this area, like recommended and others, and to make a deposit, you click on this option. And in the panel section, you have access to areas like account, products, and orders. In the spot section, you can view information about your spot account, as well as balances and various currencies. Also, margin and its related information, and so on. And by selecting other options like margin, you can view the information for that account, such as margin, futures, on-chain, and OTC. In the products section, the first option is futures copy trading, where you can see information about your copy trading balance. In addition to the history, and if you're interested, you can watch the copy trading tutorial on our YouTube channel. The next option is bot, where you can see information about your bot account balance and history. Exactly like the previous options. In the Earn section, you can view your income generating account, where you'll see information such as balances and history. The history section is divided into categories like Overview, Simple Earn, On-Chain Earn, and various income streams. In the Orders section, the first option is Spot Orders, where you have access to information such as open orders, allowing you to view your active orders. You can adjust the settings between order categories, base, and code, and search by clicking on the search button. After you have activity in this section, this part will be displayed for you. You also have access to sections like order history, order information, and trading analysis. Additionally, fund flow, deposit and withdrawal records, and sections like margin orders, futures orders, on-chain orders, and so on are displayed exactly like spot orders. Also, in this section, you have access to the options we just explained. In this section, you can view your account notifications, which are divided into categories such as announcements, promotions, market updates, new listings, and so on. To download the Bitget app, you can click on this option and download the app by scanning the QR code. To change the account language, you can click on this option and select your desired language to apply the changes. Also, in this section, you have access to the currency settings, where you can choose your account currency from various categories. In the user menu section, by clicking on your profile, you enter your account dashboard where you can see information such as your username, and it shows us that our account is verified. If you want to see the Bitget verification tutorial, you can watch it on our YouTube channel. By clicking on this option, you can hide your account information, and by clicking on the My Profile option, you have access to other information such as display name, username, and verification details. If you want to change information like your profile picture or other details, you can click on Change and update them. In the Info section, you can see details like your user ID as well as your email. If you want to add your mobile number and shipping address, you can click on this option and add them. You can see your account's referral code along with the registration date. If you want to delete your account, you can click on this option. Click on Close Account and submit a request to delete your account. You can see the suggested sections. In your profile, you also have access to sections like Deposit, Buy Crypto, Virtual Wallet, and Transfer. The next option is Security, which provides you with account security features, giving you access to information such as two-factor authentication, Google Authenticator, phone number verification, and other security capabilities. In the Identity Verification section, you enter the account verification area, and you can watch the tutorial video on our YouTube channel. In the Coupon section, you go to the Coupon Center, where you can see information about active tasks and vouchers. After participating in activities, you can view information about your vouchers in this section. In the Promotion section, you can see Bitget's active promotions, which are divided into categories such as popular promotions and participated. In the API Keys section, you enter the API area, where you can click on this option to create an API key, and by selecting your desired API key, you can request an API key. You are also able to create bulk API keys. In the Subaccount section, you can create a subaccount to better manage your funds. All you need to do is click on Create, and by selecting your desired type of subaccount, you can set up this account. In the Settings section, you enter your account settings where you can adjust options like Change Basis, which allows you to set the time between 24-hour and other regions. You can also change your notification settings, such as promotion notifications, site messages, emails, and so on. You can also modify your trading settings in this section. And to get in touch with live support, you can click on this option. Click on Chat with Bitget, and to connect with a real person, type Talk to Human and then click on Live Chat. Select your desired category, and you will immediately be connected to Bitget's live support. Well, friends, that was our review of the Bitget exchange. Wish you success.